Hi everyone. Just now you watched the video, right? When it's closing until the end, it got a funny sound, the noisy. This one is not the arm problem actually, because after some time, this one will be happen after you install. After some time, you will realize got this sound. This sound is because sometimes in Malaysia, you know the weather very hot. The metal is too hot. The bracket is metal. So when it's too hot, it will expand. When it expand, inside got the screw, the Allen key screw, it will stuck, a bit stuck. So what should we do? We just use the Allen key. Just use the Allen key and lose it. I show you the way, very simple. Okay, this is the arm, right? The behind here got one screw. You just use the Allen key to lose it. You need to turn anti-clockwise. You turn one round anti-clockwise, then should be a bit loose. So it's better to lose a bit because this is attached with the bracket. A bit loose, that means it gonna get so easy to turn. The arm when they open it and closing, it needs some space to turn. And also here, in the front is attached with your gate. This one you also can lose it using the Allen key. Thank you.